my beautiful people. How is everyone doing? I'm back with another video. My client here have beautiful hair. She wanted to get a simple wash, trim, and style, but I want you guys to enjoy the actual shampoo process. How many of you go to a salon and they tell you you have to come, or make an appointment and they tell you you have to come with your hair shampoo? I just don't understand that concept. But hey, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. But listen, I think the most important part of your appointment is your shampoo process. That is the most relaxing, making sure that the hair is clean, the scalp is clean, and you know, moisturize and clarify. So, you know, if clients come in with their hair shampooed, one, I would not be aware of the products they use or they're using at home. Two, they might not come with the hair thoroughly clean. It might still have product on it, which it has happened before, where a client came in and said, hey, I washed my hair already, you can just style me. And most of the time I look at their hair first and say, no, I would like to shampoo you. At least even do 1 or 2 shampoos just to make sure that there's no product in the hair. Because since we're not aware of what they're using, what kind of moisturizer and all that, it could lay on the hair. And when you put heat on it on top of that, especially if it has product in it, that is heat damage in the long run. So you want to make sure, you know, you shampoo the hair yourself. Let the client enjoy the process. I think that is the most important part of the whole appointment, honestly. I love this part of the process. I love when clients enjoy it. I like seeing the hair clean. Mostly when the client is relaxed and actually is enjoying the whole process. So, hey, let's enjoy this whole video and let me know what you think and what was your experience at a salon, or, you know, just make an appointment with a new hairstylist. Yeah, let me know. And when we get to her trim, I will have a conversation with you guys where, what do you guys think of the decision she made and how her ends are? Yeah, so see you later. So if you guys don't know, I do have an oil line. Well, I'm working on a product line, but I started out with essential oil, and it's called Heavenly. I would love for you guys to check it out and give me your feedbacks on what do you guys think. And all the ingredient is on the website is organic, natural ingredients, very light, and it smells amazing. So I hope you guys check it out. Okay, so we're at the part where we look at her ends. As you guys can see, she has a lot of split ends. She has some short pieces in the front and back. So what happened was she actually was looking at, this is why we're laughing right here, because she was looking at YouTube. She saw how to trim your own hair and decided to just trim her hair since she wasn't able to come to the salon. And I was telling her never to do that again. Even if you don't have time for you to get your hair done all the way, come with your hair blow dried and just get a trim. Don't get the whole service. Just make sure that you keep up with your trim 8 to 10 weeks. You don't want to see losing length, and I understand. But at the same time, if you keep up with your trim, you're not losing ends. You're retaining length, and you're dusting off the ends, the split ends that need to be taken off. So as you guys can see, her left side is shorter, and it actually needs more haircut. But we're gonna do it gradually. This is what she's comfortable with right now, and I'm making sure that we take off as much as we can, or at least, with what she decided, but making sure that, it looks as even as possible, even though that's not the goal at this appointment. But the goal in the long run is to work on the length and to make sure that it evens out. So yeah, let me know what your thought was. Thank you guys for watching.